Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dynamite Chemists. Today I am going to discuss one more important question which was asked in NEET 2020 exam and it was asked for 4 marks. The question says the half-life of a zero order reaction having 0.02 molar initial concentration of reactant is 100 seconds. The rate constant for the reaction is. ये क्या पूछ रहा है कि हमारे पास एक ज़ीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है जिसकी हाफ लाइफ कितनी है 100 सेकेंड्स और इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन है 0.02 मोलर दैट इज़ 0.02 मोल्स पर लीटर. हमें क्या निकालना है रेट कांस्टेंट इन मोल्स पर लीटर पर सेकंड. रेट कांस्टेंट दैट इज़ के किसके बराबर होगा इस रिएक्शन का. हमारे पास 4 ऑप्शंस दी गई है. We have to find which one is the correct option. Before solving this question, let us first understand what are the zero order reactions and what are the various formulas we are going to use to solve such type of questions. So first we will see what are zero order reactions. These are the reactions in which the rate does not vary with the increase or decrease in concentration of reactants. दैट मीन्स ये वो रिएक्शंस होती है जिनकी रेट कांस्टेंट रहती है whether we increase the concentration of reactant or we decrease the concentration of reactant. इनके रेट पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कोई रिएक्शन लेता हूँ, उसमें मैंने इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन ली से 10 मोलर. जो रेट आएगी उसकी फॉर एग्जांपल दैट इज R1. बट इफ वी चेंज द कंसंट्रेशन इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन दैट इज A0 वो मैंने चेंज की फ्रॉम 10 मोलर टू 20 मोलर, तब भी जो हमारी रेट होगी वो आएगी सेम दैट इज R1 बिकॉज इन सच रिएक्शंस concentration of reactant does not vary the rate of reaction. Now we will see the rate law of these reactions. Rate law क्या होता है of zero order reactions. For example, we have the reaction in which A, that is the reactants, are converted into products P. In such reaction, the rate will be equal to minus dA by dt, that is decrease in the concentration of this reactant, or the rate will be equal to increase in the concentration of product, that is dP by dt, or this will be equal to K times A power 0 because it is independent of initial concentration of reactants. So the concentration will be raised to the power 0 and this will be equal to 1, that is A raised power 0 will be 1, so rate will be equal to K, hence the rate will be constant throughout the reaction. अगर हम इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ की बात करेंगे, इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ क्या होता है जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शंस का, वो होता है A0 minus A equal to Kt, where this A0 is initial concentration, A is the concentration at time t, and T is the time of the reaction. So this is all about the zero order reactions. Now we will see the half life of zero order reaction. half life किसके बराबर होती है zero order reactions की? half life बराबर होती है A0 divided by 2K, where this A0 is the initial concentration and K is the rate constant of the zero order reaction. These are some important formulas which we are going to use for solving the questions which will be asked from this zero order reaction, and our question is asked from this very formula. Now we will apply this formula in our question and we will see what will be the answer. Now in our question we have half life is given as 100 seconds, T half is 100 seconds, and initial concentration that is A0 is given as 0.02 molar, 0.02 molar, or we can write it as 0.02 moles per liter, moles per liter. मोलर का मतलब ये होता है moles per liter. We have to calculate the rate constant of this reaction, that is K we have to calculate in the units of moles per liter per second. So we will use the formula of half life of the zero order reaction, that is T half is equal to A0 divided by K. Now substitute the values. What is T half? T half is 100 seconds equal to A naught is 0.02 molar per liter. 0.02 moles per liter or moles per liter divided by K. K we have to calculate. Now simply rearrange this equation. We will shift 100 seconds to the denominator and K to the numerator of left hand side. It will be equal to K equal to 0.02, sorry, it is 2K 0.02 moles per liter divided by 2 into 100 seconds. We have simply rearranged this equation. Now we will solve. It will be 0.01. It will be 0.01 divided by 100 seconds, and in the numerator we have moles per liter. Now simply we have to solve this fraction. We will multiply by 100 in numerator as well as in denominator. The numerator, when we multiply by 100, it will become 1 divided by, when we multiply denominator by 100, it will become 10000, and the units will be mole per liter. And this second, when we shift this second from denominator to numerator, it will become second inverse. Or simply we can write it as 1 divided by 10 to the power 4, because we have 4 zeros, hence we can write it as 1 divided by 10 to the power 4 moles per liter per second. This will be equal to, when we shift this 10 to the power 4 to the numerator, it will become 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter per second. And this is the answer of our question. And which option it is? It is option number 1. So I hope you would have liked this question, and if you like this question, please give it a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Dynamite Chemistry, and I will be uploading more and more videos in the coming days. Thank you.